Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best Clinique Night Cream is probably one of the most talked about skincare products, and for good reason. As we all know, night creams are a crucial part of any skincare routine, especially for those looking to replenish and rejuvenate their skin overnight. So, is this night cream worth the hype? Let's dive in and find out if it lives up to its reputation and if it's the right choice for your skin. Number 5. CeraVe Skin Renewing Night Cream. This cream contains a peptide complex to help reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. It also supports skin elasticity, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Use it regularly for the best results. The cream works overnight to soften and hydrate your skin. It helps retain moisture with hyaluronic acid, so you wake up with a revitalized look. This product is designed to renew the look of tired skin. The formula is gentle and suitable for various skin types. It's fragrance-free, non-comedogenic, and non-irritating. This means it won't clog pores or cause irritation. This product includes 3 essential ceramides, 1, 3, 6, 2. Ceramides are naturally found in the skin and help maintain its natural barrier. They make up a significant portion of the skin's lipids. CeraVe skincare is developed with dermatologists. This product is suitable for various skin types, including dry, sensitive, and acne-prone skin. It is designed to meet diverse skincare needs. What we like. This cream features a peptide complex to reduce the look of fine lines. It also moisturizes overnight with hyaluronic acid, helping to renew tired skin. If you are looking for a gentle, fragrance-free formula that hydrates and rejuvenates while you sleep, you should consider this. What people say. The formula is rich yet absorbs easily, leaving my skin feeling soft and deeply hydrated by morning. It includes niacinamide, which helps soothe my skin and reduces redness. It leaves my skin feeling moisturized without feeling greasy, and it doesn't break me out. Number 4. Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. Introducing Neutrogena Triple Age Repair Night Cream. This cream is designed to combat the signs of aging while you sleep. It helps to rejuvenate your skin overnight. Clinically proven, this night cream helps smooth the look of wrinkles. You can see a difference in as little as 4 weeks. It's a simple step for younger-looking skin. Infused with vitamin C, it gently reduces dark spots and evens skin tone. This helps to improve your skin's radiance. It's perfect for both women and men. Formulated with glycerin and shea butter, it deeply moisturizes your skin. While you sleep, it works to improve the look and feel of your skin. Wake up with a refreshed complexion. Featuring hexanol technology, it boosts your skin's ability to improve its appearance. This helps visibly improve skin's firmness. Use it every night for best results. Apply this nighttime moisturizer evenly over your face and neck after cleansing. This will deeply moisturize and revive your skin. Incorporate it into your nightly skincare routine. What we like. This product is clinically proven to even skin tone and firm the skin. It contains vitamin C to help with dark spots and radiance. If you want a night cream that visibly improves your skin's firmness and evens out your skin tone, you should consider this. What people say. A high-quality, thick and nourishing nighttime face lotion. My skin felt dewy and hydrated and it left me with a subtle glow. My skin looked better overall but especially in appearance. Number 3. No 7 Future Renew Night Cream, Damage Reversal. Introducing the No 7 Future Renew Night Cream. This cream is designed to visibly reverse signs of skin damage. It's a standout in skincare for hydration and rejuvenation. This night cream hydrates and restores skin overnight. The formula supports natural skin repair. It helps reduce fine lines, making it ideal for aging skin. This facial moisturizer targets visible signs of damage with firming peptides. You'll see results overnight. It's a deeply effective anti-aging face cream. Dermatologist approved and suitable for sensitive skin, this night moisturizer improves firmness and radiance. It's a trusted firming face cream for addressing aging with confidence. From the UK's best-kept beauty secret, No 7 combines science-backed innovation with indulgent textures. This delivers skincare trusted by generations. What we like. This night cream is designed to reverse visible signs of skin damage. It is clinically proven to reduce fine lines and improve firmness. If you are looking to address aging concerns and want a product that works overnight to rejuvenate your skin, you should consider this. What people say. This is a great night cream. It is very moisturizing. My skin feels so soft in the morning. Number 2. 8 Saints Up the Anti-Night Cream. Are you ready to wake up with radiant skin? This night cream is designed to work while you rest. It helps keep your skin plump, fresh, and hydrated. This cream is perfect whether you're seeing signs of aging or want to prevent them. It's packed with ingredients to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It's a great addition to your skincare routine. This facial moisturizer is suitable for all skin types. The high-potency formula will leave your skin feeling vibrant and smooth. You'll love how it makes you feel. It features protein peptides, niacinamide, and hyaluronic acid. This cream is cruelty-free and fragrance-free. It's made in the USA with globally sourced ingredients. We focus on effective, natural ingredients. This cream contains 8 key ingredients to give you the best results. You can trust this product. Use this cream liberally on your face and neck. It can also help tighten and firm your décolleté area. It's a versatile product. Try this night cream risk-free. If you're not satisfied, contact us for a full refund. We want you to love it. What we like. This cream is packed with natural and organic ingredients to reduce fine lines and wrinkles. It will leave your skin plump, smooth, and hydrated. If you like a product with natural ingredients that provides intense hydration and anti-aging benefits, you should consider this. What people say. My skin, which tends to get dry, especially in winter, feels incredibly moisturized without any greasy residue. After 2 weeks, I noticed my fine lines, particularly around my eyes, are less noticeable, and my skin doesn't feel tight or dry anymore. The cream is luxurious, and somehow thick and airy at the same time. Definitely not runny and not a basic lotion. Number 1. FAB Firming Collagen Cream Anti-Aging Moisturizer. Introducing a luxurious moisturizer designed to help you achieve a more youthful appearance. This cream hydrates and firms the skin, reducing the look of fine lines and wrinkles. It leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. As we age, our skin loses collagen. This cream is packed with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide to plump and smooth your skin. It helps you look bouncy and youthful. In a study, 100% of users felt their skin was instantly hydrated and nourished. 90% reported that it helped smooth fine lines and wrinkles, keeping their skin looking youthful. This cream is free from alcohol, artificial fragrances, and many other potentially irritating ingredients. It's designed to be gentle on your skin. This product is dermatologist tested, cruelty-free, and vegan. It's also gluten-free, nut-free, and soy-free, making it safe for sensitive skin. The packaging is recyclable too. What we like. This cream helps to sculpt and smooth skin with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. It aims to make your skin appear plump, bouncy, and youthful. If you want a cream that helps firm and hydrate your skin, you should consider this. What people say. Lightweight without leaving your skin dry. It melts into your skin, making it feel smooth, soft, moisturized, not greasy at all. Great, lightweight, collagen cream. Love that this brand is clean ingredients, no fragrance, good on sensitive skin, very moisturizing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.